mwaka wa 2024 niguo mwaka uria urakorirwo na mirorongano kihiri ya mumo wa Gen Z magiteta kumana na mwathanire muru oro undu umwe na ungumania. Akiari hindi ya mambura ma kuhumba thombe arutwo university-ini wa Kabarak, Raila Odinga netekerete kuri na mathina kihiri magomeire bururi na magacungiriria marakara ma muingi.
Many of you here may rightly be wondering whether you will be able to earn a living in the years ahead. Some of you may even be questioning whether the education you have attained here was worth the effort and the money. Because of these uncertainties, the country is awash with prophets of doom and gloom. Men and women busy encouraging people to embrace hopelessness as a way of life and give up on this country the way to save the country.
Odinga ni oritie mbeu njithi kunyitirira thirikari na mateithanie gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria magomeire bururi. Ningi akiuga thirikari ni irabatara ihinda ria gwetha kihonia kia mathina maya.
The problems our country and the world are going through are exactly these reasons you have gone to school and spent torturous years to earn a degree.
Ihinda riu Odinga ni oritie Akenya macokie maitho na thutha na marore mamwe ma maundu maria bururi uhotete gukinyaneria hari uthii wa na mbere.
As a country, you have choices to make in the wake of these challenges. You have to decide whether to add fuel to the fires around us and in so doing create more desperation and make it more difficult for us to confront our challenges. You can also help dampen the fires, mute the drums of war, and in so doing create a conducive environment for finding solutions to the problems. The choice is entirely in our hands.
And by my authority and that of the entire university, I give you power.
On
this journey, we invite our students, staff, and the broader community to join us in embracing sustainable practices. Together, we can inspire future generations to become responsible global citizens and drive positive change.
Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau wa Wanjiku.